This is on our walking path here. All of these items are made out of bolts, brackets. It's just really neat. Just wanted to share this with you all. Let me get a little bit closer. See, look at that. Made out of bolts. It's like a ladybug. And here you got something to me that looked like a tick. I'm sure that's not what it's. There. Some bug. And you got this one. And here we have. Yeah, she's fine. We got that one. Okay, it's somebody afraid of the dog, so let me go get her so they can finish walking. But there we go.